Good afternoon, everyone. In this lecture of web technology, I will do lecture 5, in which I will tell you tag number 5, which is image tag. Before it, we have done basic tags of HTML. Afterwards, we have done paragraph tag, break tag, and simple font tag also. Now we will discuss image tag. Here we have written the image tag allows us to display images on the web page. Image tag is that tag which allows us to display images or pictures on web page. Images are binary representation of data in pixel form. Here pixel is the short form of picture element. Pixel stands for picture element. For making images, the tag angular bracket img is used. The name of tag for image is img. So the syntax is in angular bracket img, and the attribute used with img tag is src. It is very important attribute. Without it, image can't be shown on web page. So here is the attribute with tag name img, angular bracket img space attribute name src is equal to inverted commas image file. Now src attribute, src stands for source. The full form of src is source. This attribute is a required attribute that identifies the full or partial address, that is URL. Here URL stands for uniform resource locator. URL means an address. It can be full or partial address or just the name of the file to display. So src means source. It is the location, or URL means uniform resource locator. Example: HTML tag, head tag, title, head, close, body on, img src is equal to any name. For example, image1.gif. GIF is the extension of any file. It stands for graphic format. Then body close, HTML close of code of HTML. Other attributes of img tag are align attribute. The align attribute allows us to set position of image. Syntax: img src is equal to image file, align is equal to value. The possible values for image tag in align attribute can be top, middle, and bottom. We can set the picture at the top of the page, we can set the picture at the bottom of the page. Similarly, we can set the picture or image in the middle of the web page. Example: HTML head, title, head, close, body on, img src is equal to image any name. For example, image1.gif, align is equal to top. Any value you can assign for align attribute. Then of code of body, of code of HTML. Next attributes are height and width attributes. We can set the height and width of the image by using these attributes. Syntax: img src, it is an important attribute. Src will definitely be there for location of images. img src is equal to name, height is equal to value, width is equal to value. The possible values of height and width can be number or percentage. Example: HTML head, title, head of, body on, img src is equal to image1.gif, height is equal to any height 10 or 100, width is equal to 10 or 100, body close, HTML code close. Last attribute of img tag is border. The img tag's border attribute allows us to specify a custom width for the border. img src is equal to any image file, border is equal to value. The possible value can be any number in pixel. I already told pixel stand for picture element. The example is HTML head, title, and open, title close, head of, body on, img src is equal to picture name, image1.gif, border is equal to any value like 10, body close, HTML close. So this is important tag for assigning any picture in HTML web page. The name of the tag is img, and the very important attribute of this tag, which is very essential for using in web page, is src. Without this attribute, you cannot declare the path or location of the picture. So this is the topic. it is a very important tag, so students definitely do this tag and use this tag in your web pages. Okay class, thank you.